to the channel, guys. My name is Jen with my husband Kurt and our two boys. We are Overland Uncharted and we travel full-time in this Ram 5500 box truck that we call Macho. We found camp here. We're outside of Buena Vista, Colorado in this beautiful ponderosa pine forest. We've been driving all day on some trails. We're hungry. Let's go get some firewood and let's make some dinner. Alright, well, we got camp set up. That didn't take too long. Just got to get the stairs and the deck down and a few things out from inside. We're all hungry. I've got a delicious meal plan for tonight. I think we're going with a chicken, Thai, and rice type meal. Let's go get some firewood so we can get a fire going.
Alright. Oh wow. It's like a storm's coming. It's getting cloudy. It's spitting a little bit. So we can't get this fire, some good coals here so we can start cooking. Let's see what Jenny's up to.
Alright, got all the prep done. We got some garlic and onion, ginger. We got some bell pepper, poblano pepper, zucchini, tomato, lime. Got a bunch of seasonings, some broth, coconut oil, coconut milk, coconut sugar, some Thai red curry paste, and the chicken is just about done thawing out, and I think the fire is about ready, so let's go get this stuff outside. We got that on the fire. That's going to simmer now for about 15-20 minutes. Hopefully it's not too hot. It's always a little difficult to control the temperature of the fire when you cook like this, but I'm sure it'll taste good no matter what. So I'm going to set a timer and we'll check back here in a little bit.
Hey Logan.
Yeah?
Why did the cow cross the road?
You got to move.
All right, well there you have it. Dinner is ready, folks. This is Mama's Special number 99. My take on a chicken curry rice Thai meal. Not really sure what to call it. I just kind of throw stuff together and usually it works. Not always, but usually. So we're gonna let that cool down a little bit. I know we're all starving, and just chill out by the fire for the rest of the night.
How's it, Luke? How's it, Logan?
Spicy.
It's not that spicy.
How is it, baby?
It's good. Really good.
Yeah.
Always tastes better cooked over the fire.
Amen to that. This morning we're going to make some coffee on the wood stove. Wood stove is warming up pretty quick, actually, about 500 degrees. We got some Deep Canyon coffee. We'll leave a link in the description below if you want to buy some of this. We're going to do a pour over and we're going to grind the beans. These are whole beans. All right, let's get some coffee made. done.
Yeah, waiting on mine. How is it?
Tastes great. Yours is almost ready. Okay. And we're about to do some breakfast, right?
Yeah, we got egg sandwiches up. I know everybody's hungry, so sometimes good things are worth waiting for.
Definitely. Yeah, we've been using the wood stove because it's been cloudy here in Colorado to try to save on some power in the box truck. And I love this thing when it's cool outside. It's awesome.
Puts out a lot of heat. A lot of heat.
Yeah, not so much to stay warm around. You know, a fire would be better unless you put this thing in a hot tent. That's good.
Yeah, I can't wait for my cup. This is Deep Canyon coffee, you guys. This is really good. It's single origin, fair trade coffee. Links down in the description below. A good friend of ours, Mike, it's in his family for over 25 years. They roast it to order. Use our code, get a discount. You guys won't be disappointed, I promise. Eat it up. Another reason I love this winter well wood stove is because when I cook on it with my cast iron, it adds another layer of seasoning to it without having to submerge it in the fire and getting soot and ash all over it. So I put it on top and I cook, seasons it all in the same time. Just another reason I love the winter well.
Hey, buddy.
You got it?
You full?
Yeah.
Man, that was delicious. There's nothing quite like waking up in a beautiful Ponderosa pine forest on a cool, crisp fall morning in Colorado. Fresh coffee, good breakfast,
Great views.
great views.
Good campsite.
Yeah, all of the above. And that's gonna do it for our time here. So we're gonna wrap this video up, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging in there with us and seeing us through to the end of this video. You rock. Check out the coffee down below. Like I said, you won't be disappointed. Stay tuned for our next adventure. We have some great things planned in store for Macho. Can't wait to see where it takes us. And we're gonna bring you guys along with us. Thanks again for watching. You'll have a great week.